The Double Dip Catastrophe, a cautionary tale about misinformation. It was your basic high school party. Music, snacks, selfies, everyone was having a great time. And in the kitchen, a giant bowl of guacamole. Emily grabbed a chip, took a bite, and then, yep, she double dipped. Jasmine saw it and groaned. Ew, seriously, Emily double dipped. She was holding the piñata bat from earlier and waved it around while she yelled. No one got hit, but it was a dramatic moment. Maya caught the whole thing on video and thought, oh, I'm gonna make this interesting. She added a fake black eye to Emily's face using an editing app. The post blew up. Comments came in fast. Whoa, that's messed up. She used a bat? Everyone believed it. And suddenly Jasmine was the villain. But here's the truth. Jasmine did not hit anyone. She just yelled a little bit. The black eye? It was 100% fake. A little editing turned an icky snack moment into a fake assault. And Jasmine's reputation took the hit. So, what's the moral of the story? Don't believe everything you see online. Ask questions. Who posted it? Could it be fake? What's the full story? Be smart. Be fair. Be a source checker. And think before you share.